No, 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 woman, no cry. No, woman, no cry. No, 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 no.
Prepared of thy goodness for the poor. The Lord God, God the Almighty, I listen and so far the strength and Redeemer gave the word. Great was the company of those that published it.
Hey, Mr. Jones, give me a reason why you call the children a demon.
Rich always ready to keep you poor down. Yeah. This is human nature.
You don't know, be a to the bone, so you can't stand here too long, you know what I mean?
You have to alkaline the body. Stay away from acidic foods.
Tell me who of them are gonna panic
My mom must love your wife.
when you call the children a demon.
Some of you up there up in New York, some of you up in there in Canada, some of you up in there, so you pages up in England. I know you love the sweet bread. Yeah, just have to bring this whole special for you, the sweet bread. Yeah.
39.5.
And if you buy it, how much?
$7.
Okay. New year, new time, new talk, Ali. And if you think you're not back, you money quick.
1 or 2.
I want to know,
No, 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 woman.